Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this NUASI 4G LTE Security Camera for outdoor use. It's 2K CCTV PTZ Camera with full color night vision. It supports AI human detection and two-way audio and 24/7 recording with SIM card and 32GB microSD card included. You can gain this possibility of storage with another larger microSD card too, and you can use your own nano SIM card as you like. The camera can connect via 4G LTE. This makes it perfect for areas without Wi-Fi access, such as garage, farms, warehouses, etc. The SIM card, which is included, comes with 300 megabyte data for testing. Attention that the 4G outdoor security camera is wired and does not have a battery, and it does not support Wi-Fi connectivity. So you will need a power supply. And you will not need a Wi-Fi because there is a nano SIM card which can this job better. Immerse ourselves in stunning surveillance videos with 2K Ultra HD resolution. Each frame is sharp and detailed. This captures every nuance with precision. With 360 degrees vision and 4 times digital zoom, this surveillance camera provides a broad field of view, ensuring us it can easily capture every angle, which we like to make the camera job from. The PTZ camera features a built-in AI algorithm that is activated by human movement, enabling human detection and intelligent alarm function. We can customize the alarm area and time settings of the camera. In the event of an intrusion, the outdoor camera's light alarm will activate it, and alert message will be sent to the app U-Box, because the U-Box is the app you will need to make a clear setup. U-B-O-X. It's available in the Play Store and in the Google. And of course in the Apple App Store it is possible to download this app. Additionally, we can communicate with any individuals through the security camera via our phone because it comes with two-way audio. It's easy to operate and easy to attach, as you can see. We select the installation location and attach the position stickers if we need that. We secure the camera with 3 screws. We fix the camera on the base from top to bottom, and then we are nearly ready. The only thing is we have to connect it to a power supply. That means a 5-volt 2 ampere adapter is included, so this we have to get into the socket and then we can start. Micro SD card slot, micro SIM card attached, and then download the app, and we should adding the camera into our system. If our camera and the system are together, you can start by operating and make a remote access to the camera system itself. This wide home security camera operates using a 4G cellular data and comes with a 2.7 meter charging cable for recording continuously 24/7. It supports both cloud storage and local memory card. Additionally, the cloud storage service offers a 30-day trial period, which needs to be purchased separately after the trial ends. And this 4G outdoor camera is designed to withstand the harsh weather conditions, ensuring the durability and reliability of outdoor use. And it supports wall mounting for an optimal positioning and surveillance coverage. NUASI is an intelligent security product development department that was established in 2015 and it is a high-tech company integrating research and development, production and sales. Their mission is to create an intelligent, harmonious, and beautiful life through the technology. This becoming then the personal security expert and taking care of every detail of our customer's life. It comes with continuously recording, 4G LTE, 2K HD camera system, two-way audio, 360 degrees rotation possibility, IP66 waterproof level, color night vision, and motion detection, and using the U-Box app for two-way audio talk. That's cool. That's state of the art. And we have 4x digital zoom. So we can make a remote control anywhere, 360 degrees coverage for our home, where we like to have an surveillance job there. We have color night vision with spotlight. We have IR night vision if spotlight is off. We have smart night vision within switching of them. Make both the best. And it's weatherproof. With the IP66 weatherproof rating, this outdoor camera fearlessly withstands rain, snow, and extreme temperatures, ensuring reliable outdoor performance for you. And 24/7 continuous recording, that means you can make this. We have a micro SIM card, which is included. The SIM card cannot be used easy peasy, but it's not possible to use that on a mobile phone because it's only a data contract. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So soon.